to show you the latest modification that I made to this tool here. This is the puller that I sell to pull the seal race off the front of the crank on these old gas and diesel engines. This has been modified to get in behind the race, the steel race on the end of the crank. And the modification here is these washers, and we machined a groove in the end here to put a C-clip to hold the washers in place. And what's nice, these washers spin. When you put this on the end of the crank, the larger washer will keep it from dropping into the end of the crank, and the smaller washer will keep it centered. So now when you clamp down on the sides of the puller and you run this in, this is going to give you a very smooth operation to pull the race back away from the end of the crankshaft.